Good day, everybody. In this demo series, a modern end-to-end IBRD credit score AI predictor full stack with chat assistant, application development, testing, and continuous integration or continuous delivery will be demoed. IBRD credit score predictive engine is a full stack application, a React user interface that is form plus chat assistant, talking to a Node or Express backend, which calls a Python FastAPI with ML scoring service that is canonical plus deterministic fallback. It delivers explainable credit scores, conversational insights, and continuous integration or end-to-end testability with clear UI error handling. I am executing the command for running the backend unit tests. The test executions are complete. Here all the unit test cases are passed. This is the unit test coverage report generated. There are 4 modules such as controllers, middleware, routes, and services. These are unit test cases, coverage details of the controllers, middleware, routes, and services module. I am executing the command for running the front-end unit tests. The test executions are complete. Here, all the unit test cases are passed. The command execution combines both unit and coverage test executions. This is the unit test coverage report generated. There is one module such as source or components. These are unit test cases coverage details of the chat, credit form, and result card components. Now I am launching the developed application. First, I will key in the form details such as the region as Europe and Central Asia, country as Netherlands, guarantor as no guarantor, loan type as SCPM, and the principal amount as 100K. Finally, click the Predict Score button. The credit score predicted by the application is 358, and it is in red color, which means the credit score below average. I am entering the prompt, region as Europe and Central Asia, country as Netherlands, guarantor as no guarantor, loan type as SCPM, and the principal amount as 100K. Predict the score in the chatbot. The chatbot has given credit score prediction with the score as 358, and it is giving brief summary as bad score summary, that is model indicates elevated risk lower repayment profile or adverse loan characteristics, with recommendation as review loan terms and consider mitigation measures. I am entering the prompt, region as European Central Asia, country as Netherlands, guarantor as Netherlands, loan type as SCPM, and the principal amount is 100K. Predict the score in the chatbot. The chatbot has given credit score prediction with a score as 604. And it is giving brief summary as model indicates stronger repayment profile and lower sovereign or loan risk, with the recommendation as continue with standard due diligence. In this demo, the developed modern end-to-end IBRD credit score AI predictor full stack with chat assistant application and front-end and back-end unit test execution along with coverage reports are demoed. In the next demos, the integration testing using Newman Postman Playwright Cucumber with end-to-end and edge test cases execution will be demoed. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.